Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be setting up a week in my memory planner. For memory planning, I use an Aura Still XSPC Blossom and the Aura Still inserts. And for this spread, I'll be using mainly leftovers from the SPC Happy Meal kit, along with pieces from some other shops. I have clear date covers and date numbers in rose gold from Glam Planner, as well as Glam Planner full box overlays. Those date dots you can see there. And then the date dots, actually the date numbers that I'll be using are from Area Right Designs. No, actually I'm not using those. I wound up changing some things around and just altering one of those Glam Planner date dots to get a 7 out of it, and then using the rest of the sequential date numbers from this sheet. This is one of the sheets from their original foil binder bundle release in rose gold, and I'm just using my tweezers to place each of those date numbers down. I also went ahead and whited out my dates, or the days of the week, at the top of each day, and then colored over it with a blue mod liner just to give a bit of a background to each of the date covers, since they are on clear paper. And I thought that the blue would coordinate well with the colors in the stickers that I'm using for this spread. I actually had a sheet of the matching glitter headers left over, some of them, exactly 7 actually, that I was able to put across the top of the spread to cover up this peach color for the top of each column. Then I had a bunch of leftover boxes, full boxes, tall boxes, and sidebar boxes left over from this kit that you see me placing down now. One of the fashion girls on the top, a weekly tracker, and then a heart checklist in the middle there, with another heart checklist at the bottom. And in between each of those boxes, I placed down a blue header left over from a My Perfect Plan kit. My Perfect Plan is one of my favorite shops on Etsy, and I had some leftover glitter headers from a kit from them that I used in the sidebar there. Then I'm placing down the remaining tall girl boxes, evenly spaced throughout the spread, one on Monday, one on Thursday, and one on Sunday, with a blue glitter header at the top and bottom of each of those boxes respectively, just to space things out a little bit. Then I had 2 more boxes left over from the kit. This plaid patterned one that I'm putting at the bottom of Wednesday, and then at the top of Tuesday this sort of flat lay box, and then at the top of Saturday the Happy Meal box. Then I have the rest of those blue glitter headers, which are also a leftover from, I believe, a grab bag sheet from Scribble Prints Co. over those boxes. And then I needed a quote-unquote box for Friday, so I just used one of the heart checklist flags with a glitter header on top of it for Friday. Then I'm placing down the rest of the heart checklist flags, alternating throughout the remainder of the week, just to fill in some space underneath the glitter headers. I had a little bit of trouble laying these down straight for some reason, but I think it looked good in the end. Then I am beginning to place down my 2 strips of washi at the bottom of the spread using my XL slice tool to cut off the frayed edges. And for this spread, I'm using 2 of my recently purchased Simply Gilded washies. One is the white bows on a white background, in just the typical bow format. And the next is a pink washi with bows and hearts, mini bows and hearts, a sort of pink accents on pink tape washi, which you'll see here in a second. There we go. Then I'm placing down underneath the white bow washi just to fill in the bottom washi area. And then using my binder sheet just as a guide for where to cut my washi, or where to trim my washi rather. And pulling away the excess. And then I'm going to begin placing down the boxes and functional pieces that I'll be using for this memory spread. After I cover up the boxes with overlays, I put the Be Mine script over the Happy Meal full box, the Summer 11 quote over the plaid, and then some frames and other patterns over the rest of the full boxes. I did cut this one with the corners in half just to spread it over those last 2 tall girls on Thursday and Sunday, just to get spread out my foil a little bit. Then I'm pulling out my leftover boxes and sprinkling them throughout the rest of the spread. I placed a patterned box underneath the checklist on Monday, a square box underneath the checklist on Tuesday, another square box underneath the checklist on Saturday, a blue square box underneath the checklist on Wednesday, the darker blue square box underneath the checklist on Sunday, and then I'm going in and placing down the rounded quarter boxes Tuesday and Saturday at the bottom, then the rounded half boxes, alternating those, the pink on the bottom of Wednesday, the dark blue on the bottom of Thursday, the light pink on the top of Friday, and then the light blue on the middle of Friday. Then my fancy labels, blue on Tuesday, a strip of washi on Saturday, pink on Friday, and light pink on Friday as well, with another blue washi strip in the middle there. And then that is about it. That's everything for this spread. I'm going to give you a little wiggle, and then we'll be done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this inspired you to create a spread of your own. Peace, love, and happy planning, everybody. Bye-bye.